Thank you very much. Listen, we would be remiss if we didn't say that we wouldn't be here tonight, and more importantly, you wouldn't be here tonight if it weren't for WBER. We are so grateful to them. If you see them like at Starbucks or something, thank them. And still coming and says thanks. And then I want you to go like this. And it'll be super weird. When the gas runs out, just regular shooting there. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around me. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around me. Doom ba, doom ba, doom Udam boy, doom ba, doom Udam boy, doom ba, doom Udam boy, doom ba. But I guess I now let you make the move. It has gone to dogs. Lay down on the floor. For the right price I can get everything. Slipping through the car, go driving to the farthest star. I don't need to around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around me. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around me.